Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain the vane pump with an animation. It consists of the inside cylinder or a rotor which has the slots where the vanes are reciprocates. And this rotor or a cylinder is having the eccentricity with the outside casing. And that eccentricity is required to slide the vanes to move to the inside surface of the casing, and thereby the formation of the chambers between the two vanes and the casing will be takes place. That causes the uh, this carrying of the oil around the casing and delivering in the outlet. And how this that is suction creation of the suction at the inlet and delivering of that fluid at the outlet taking place, that I am going to explain with the animation also. In the vane pump is run by the motor. As I mentioned, it consists of a cylinder and pistons or a vane. During its rotation, when the these vanes are uh, held against the casing by the springs, okay, thereby the suction will be created at the inlet that we can see, and thereby the oil will be carried around between the two vanes and the casing chambers, and that will be delivered at the outlet. And this eccentricity what we can see, that will be cause for the delivery of the oil at the outlet. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.